Huns, welcome back to my channel. This is Steph's Got It. I'm so glad you could join me today. I hope that you're having an amazing day because I am. I have got a new cart in the sewing room and I've got all my little diamond paintings packed in there along with my tools, and I even did a little DIY and added some shelves over to the side with zip ties, so I'm feeling kind of good and kind of creative. So let's open up something that inspires a lot of creativity and energy, a diamond painting. All right, so I'm going to get you set up to review the painting. Stay right there, hold that thought. All right, Huns, now that I got you set up, I don't know where this is from, so this is again one of those old ones that I was telling you about in the previous videos. So let's see how old it is and how long I've had it in the stash. I don't know where it's from, but you will, because you would have read the title. I gotta wait till I get it open. I hope you've been getting lots of diamond painting done, or lots of sewing, or scrapbooking, or whatever your craft is. Alright, well, whatever it is, it has 21 colors and a very nice size schematics. So let's get this bad boy open. Oh, there we go. Huh. Oh, that's the plastic coming off. Okay. It's very flat, whatever it is right now. Oh, hope it's no damage. There's no damage done. It's kind of crinkly right here, so. All right, let's get her open. Oh, and it is a her. I know exactly what this is. All right. So the canvas is a bit wrinkled. Not a tough crime, but it is a bit wrinkled. Okay, let's let her relax for a little bit. There are even wrinkles in the cover sheet. And mind you, I'm very gentle with my paintings while they're sitting in their packages. So this is not my doing. Okay. So let's turn to the drill book and see where we got this from. Let's see. It's a girl with it's another brown skin. Don't you love my brown skin? All right, let's see. She's just called Woman. This is another Amazon purchase. We do know that it has 21 colors. Let's go ahead and put that on the sheet. 21 colors. All right, it is a full, and it is probably rounds. Yep, because back in the beginning I was ordering only rounds. It says that it's a 30 by 30. Well, let's just test that out. There we go. Let's see what the old tape measure says. The painting is 23 centimeters by 23 centimeters. The actual canvas is 30. It's 30 by 32. I'll recheck. Yep. Now, interesting enough, you can see, I hope, that there's a blue line around the entire painting. And over here, there are two lines, I assume where it was miscut, as well as over here. Now, if you go from that blue line to this inner blue line, that is 30 centimeters. So somehow this extra was added on, and it's a fraying right there. Okay, so the actual painting is 23 by 23, and the canvas itself happens to be 30 by 32. There you go. All right, so let's get a look at this girl. As you can see, she has 21 colors, and I'm going to bring you in closer. All right, so as you can see there, the symbols are very clear. There'll be no problems reading them. Okay, and there's your legend or schematics on the side there, and you can see that they use numbers 1 to 0, and then they pick up at the capital letter A, B, C, but they're not consistent all the way down as far as A to N. So it says A to N, but they skip quite a few numbers in between there. There are 21 colors. Oh, look at those lips. Hot mama tonight. Woo! You go, girl. That is awesome. All right, and then at the bottom, it has DIY production instructions. So again, tell you how to do a little diamond painting. Now, the picture is over here. And they say that that's your stick drill site. But there's her picture. So you know exactly what she's supposed to look like. Gone, girl, with your bad self. This would have been beautiful in a larger size. And look at that. This little thing has another schematics. So there's one on each side. There's what she looks like. Isn't she beautiful? Okay. Oh, let's get our little piece of tape to mark the top of our clear sheet so we don't put the wrong side back down. All right. Now let's pull this off so she can relax a little. And let's examine that glue. Oh. Okay. It's not consistently smooth. There are some little dips in here of where it didn't get as full as the other side. So, let's see. However, it says sticky as your average fly trap. It's sticky. All right, there we go. So it's sticky, even though there are spots where it's thinner. Okay, so we'll hopefully let that relax for a bit and it will iron out its own wrinkles. And let's examine our accessories. So we have your average toolkit. It's your pink pen, your green bolt with no spout, and a little square of glue. Okay, so nothing special about that. Crinkle alert, crinkle alert. Get these open. And cut those out. Oh, that right there. Alright, it's another daisy chain. It does not have DMC codes, and it has the numbers and the product number. Okay, I'm going to bring you in closer for a look, and we're gonna go ahead and cover that so that I can put the drills on the back of the canvas. I certainly can't put it on any worse than it already. It doesn't even want to go on flat. It wants to maintain those. I'm gonna need my scraper. I'll do that after the fact because we're running low on battery. I'll use the scraper and kind of straighten this out so it no longer sits with all these wrinkles in it. Because I do see a few of the wrinkles that are in the plastic also in the glue or the adhesive. Okay, I think I got it. There we go. There we go. Yep, I got it. Alright. So let's get a look at these drills. Let's pull you in. So again, on the back, you can see the symbol number and the product number. They start you right off the bat with that 310 life. Serious. That is a shade of red. Oh, look at that. There's that whole flight of Han Solos. They're all trying to escape. And there's one that got caught. Oh, you could just flip him out. I just flicked him right out of the seams. I'm free. I'm free. All right, and there's your shade of green. The drills look pretty. They look shiny. There's a peachy with a Han Solo in there. Good speed, my friend. Look at that. They're having a party up in this mug. There's a red, a peach, brown. They're like, forget this. We're not going anywhere. We're about to have a party up in here. That's a pretty shade of purple. Kind of an orange. A lighter orange. No, a darker orange. Look at that. A lot of these are over here. Again, everybody's trying to have a party up in here. Look at that. And in yellow, again, man, they are traveling across. They're visiting everybody. Look at that. It's like Mexican corn. Alright, and there's some brown. Again, a lot more Han Solos trying to visit and have a party. And there's brown. Ooh, check that out. Yummy. There's the brown. You can see it a little better. But check that deliciousness out. Wow. Okay. There's another green, like a limey green. There's a lighter brown. Man, this packet is so mixed up. Oh, pink's not my color, but that's beautiful. Got all kind of little browns in here trying to cohabitate. Okay, there's a light pink, pastel pink. Ugh, I hate pastel pink. There's a blue with a whole lot of pastel pink trying to infiltrate. There's another one. And then there's a dark green with a Han Solo. Oh, check that out. Another purple. I'm loving how these purples are coming out. I may have to switch my color. And then there's a blue. Okay. Alright, so there you have it, Huns. There's the painting. And let's get that daisy wheel back inside. Now, one thing I did not notice about this painting that I'm going to go look right quick is there were no trainers. The paint did not cut off. I did not extend past the painting. Alright, let's get those back in there. And close. Let's see. Yep, at the top it extends. If you flip her upside down, it could be a whole different painting. Look at that. It's like a different face. Another face at a Mardi Gras or something. That's pretty cool. Wow. The lip becomes an eye. Cool. Okay, anyway, side note. There is glue adhesive. I can't remember which one it is. The clear plastic is glue and the opaque cover is adhesive. I think that's the way it goes. So this glue is extending 1/4 of an inch all the way around the painting. That's not too bad. Alright. Where did this painting come from? Let's find out in the handy dandy logbook. It is supposedly a 30 by 30 with 21 colors, round and a full. It's from Amazon, from a company called Taggmy. 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 The price was $2.99. It was not on sale. The shipping was $3.49. And it was purchased on 3/30/2019. It was shipped on March 30, 2019. And the ETA was $419,510. And as we saw on the envelope, I received it early April. Alright, so there you go. Has it been unboxed? It has officially been unboxed. Alright. Alright, Huns, there you are. If you were thinking about checking out that company, looks like it's pretty decent quality. Beautiful colors. And if you don't like what the original painting was, Just flip it upside down and create a new painting. All right, dolls. Remember, if you're having a great day, help someone else have a great day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you don't like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs down. You do you, boo, okay? If you like the content on this channel, I would like to personally invite you to become a subscriber. And if you become a subscriber, then of course you want to know when the videos load, right? So don't forget to click that little bell, notification bell that will let you know whenever I upload a video. With that being said, I'd like to wish you a great day. Have a wonderful weekend or a wonderful week, depending on when you're watching this video. And remember, if you're having a good day, help someone else have a good day. Love and shimmies.